Hello, this week we are working on a responsible use module that all 5th through 8th graders for Bismarck Public Schools must complete. So on this week, if you've been in class, we have been working through it, but not everybody has been able to finish it within the class period. Or if you were absent from class, you would not have gotten this instruction. So I wanted to make a video so that you could work on this at home. Again, it is required, everyone has to do it, and we can run a report in PowerSchool that says, yes, you have done it, or no, you haven't, and the library is checking for that, and also team leaders. So we do need to make sure that everybody has gone through this responsible use module, this course in Learn BPS, to make sure that it's okay for you to use a computer. So first up, to get there, you need to get to a Bismarck Public Schools website. I'm right here on the home page, but you could be on the Wachter page, an elementary school page, your BPS apps page, whatever page that is a Bismarck Schools website, and you're going to find Learn BPS. So this part right here has these little science molecules, and you're going to click on Learn BPS. When you do that, if you're not logged in, it's going to say log in up here instead of your name. Also, when you scroll down, about here is where it's going to ask you to log in your username and password. This username and password is the same username and password that you use for PowerSchool. It does not include the bpsapps.org. So it's your regular username and then your password. Some students have had trouble logging in to Learn BPS, and they've had to put in their password a few times. So please try not to be frustrated and just try a few times to get in, and eventually you should get in to Learn BPS. If you get in on this screen, there's a couple places you can go. You can either click on Dashboard, or you can go to My Courses and then choose Responsible Use. So either way is going to get you to this next part. So when I click on Dashboard, and then I'm looking for this digital etiquette, this green cyborg person. Cyborg is not a person, but anyways, it's like a person. So when you click on that, then you're going to get this screen. You scroll down, and this is a link. So it doesn't look like a link till you hover over it. And our goal is to see a check mark here. If you don't see a check mark here, we need to go through the course. If you have already done this, you should see a check mark. Okay, we're going to click on that, and you're going to end up with this screen. So this is the actual course. Down at the bottom, you're going to see circles, and each of those circles is a check. Your goal is to get 31 out of 31 correct. So there's like 11 questions here, and then there might be 3 questions at the end. Throughout the entire course, there's 31 questions, and you do have to get all 31 correct. These slides that don't have a circle have information that you need. So I'll click on slide 2. This is the one that is the hardest for everyone to understand, but basically you have some flashcards here, and these flashcards are helping you learn 4 new words. So the new word here that's coming up on mine, and it might be different on yours, is devices. So when I click turn, I'm learning that a device is any digital tool that runs an operating system. For example, a Chromebook. So my Chromebook that I'm on right now is a device. When I feel like I know what a device is, I'm going to click, I got it right. And it will move me into the next flashcard. There we go. And you'll learn those words. When you feel like you know those words, there are 4 of them, then you can go into the check, which looks like this. So we're taking all these examples and we're putting them into the sections. These are the 4 words that we're learning new. If you want to look back at the flashcard, you can. You can go back to slide 2 and say, wait, what were those things again? And then you can click back here and it should save your work. And then you're going to drag the word to what section it goes under. And you want to get, again, 11 out of 11 correct. If you don't get all of them correct, you're going to see some of them go red, and then you're just going to scroll down. This little bar will let you scroll down, and it will say retry. So again, you want to try until you get all 31 out of 31, and then you'll continue moving through this. Once you get 31 out of 31, would you please send me an email and say, I finished the RUP, module or something, or I finished the responsible use. I finished Learn BPS, something that lets me know that you finished that. And then I can check that against my report. If you have any questions on this, send me an email, let me know. We can touch base when we meet as a class. But this is something that we would like to get done this week. So please work on this and try to get that 31 out of 31. Thank you.